Hello! We're in day 3 of our Apex coding challenges. We'll tackle 3 Apex exercises, very easy ones today. Let's get started. So passing students. A student passes the course if any 2 of the following 3 conditions are true. They've passed the exam, they've passed assignments, and they have passed the course. Okay, so this seems pretty easy. Okay, if there are several ways to do it, yeah. One way is we can count the number of passes, or we can just hard code everything. Let's just hard code it. If passed, if any of the 2 following 3 conditions are true. So if any 2, so it can be 2 passing or 3 passing, right? Let's do this. If this and this, and so there is one scenario if all 3 are true, then we pass return true. If right, if first is true and the last is false. If first is true, if second is false, but the third is true, and if the first is false and second and third are true. Okay, if none of these, otherwise we'll pass in false. Okay, so just once again, let's explain the logic. It says if a student passed the course if any 2 of the following 3 are true. If any 2 of the following. So that means the first 2 can be true, or the second and third can be true, or the first and the third can be true. All 3 can be true, right? So there are 4 scenarios. Let's check. Boom, we passed. All right, let's go to the next one. Given an integer, return true if the integer ends with 0, otherwise return false. So we need to get the last integer. Last integer. So let's convert this number, string.value of num. So I'm converting this number into a string value, and then I am getting the last. Okay. It'll be substring size -1 to size. Okay, and then if, so we need to convert this string back into, oh no, we can just do this. If last equals string value of 0, then we return true, otherwise return false. Okay, all right, let's check. So here's what I did. I converted this number that we're passing into this method into a string by using the value of method in the string class. Then I got the last value in the string. So size -1. So for example, if this value is 1, 2, 3, the size is 3. The size is 3, and so then it'll be 0, 1, 2. Maybe this is -2, -1. Yeah, I think the size goes in 1, 2, 3. So that's why. Actually, let's check. All right, let's run this. Duplicate value num on num. Okay, num. Yeah, we cannot use num because it's already being passed through. Okay, error on line 3. Size. Substring. Oh, not size, length, right? Length. Size is in JavaScript. Variable does not exist. String size Apex class. So string class. String methods. Actually, why don't we use this ends with? This is a better method, ends with. All right, ends with. And then we'll just put in a 0. Okay. And then if this is going to be a Boolean. Boolean. And if the last one is true, then we return true. All right, if last is true, then we don't need this one. Since it'll be a Boolean value, then we return true. All right. So the lesson for me is that I should have used the ends with instead of the substring. If it ends with 0, string, boom. Again, let's go with the last one. Given n integers a, b, and c, determine if any of the two add up to the third and return a, b, and return a, b, depending on which the sum is. If no two numbers add up to a third number, return empty string. So which two? So if this and this add up to 5, this, then we return b. Okay, well, this is easy. This is very easy because we can just say if a plus b equals c, return c. If a plus c equals b, return b. If a, b plus c equals a, return a, and return empty. All right. So if a plus b equals c, return boom. They got it correct. Error on line 2, illegal conversion from integer to string. Okay, yeah, this is one. Expression cannot be assigned. So on line, the issue is on line 2. If A plus B, this is 2 equals, why is it not working? Line 2. Illegal conversion from integer to string. Oh, right, this should be string, right? What's the issue? Line 3. Okay. Yeah. All right, that's it. All right, I hope these exercises were useful. They just took me a minute or so each one. I hope you also do this exercise. They're pretty fun. And I actually highly recommend of you to record these sessions because it makes you think sharper and makes you actually enjoy the process when you look at yourself afterwards. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a nice evening. Bye bye.